Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best amount you can borrow with PayPal working capital. When I was first looking into this in my business, I kept asking, how much can I actually get? The simple answer is, it depends on your business's sales history with PayPal. This loan is less about your personal credit score and more about your transaction volume. Based on my experience and what I've learned, PayPal Working Capital offers loans generally ranging from $1,000 up to $200,000. For repeat borrowers who have successfully paid off a previous loan, this maximum can go up even higher. I've seen it go up to $300,000 for some. However, the key is the calculation. They typically look at your PayPal sales over the last 12 months. Your maximum borrowing amount is usually calculated as a percentage of those annual sales, which is often up to 35% of what you process through PayPal. So, for example, if your business processed $100,000 in PayPal sales over the past year, your eligibility might top out around $35,000. It's not a fixed number for everyone. It's unique to your business's performance when you go through the application process, which is very fast. By the way, PayPal will present you with the maximum amount you qualify for. You don't have to take that full amount. I recommend only borrowing what you absolutely need for a clear purpose, whether it's buying inventory, covering a large expense, or managing a cash flow gap. You get to choose the exact amount you want to borrow, as long as it's within your maximum limit. Another part of your decision is choosing your repayment percentage. You select a percentage of your future PayPal sales, like 10%, 15%, or 20%, that will be automatically deducted for repayment. A higher repayment percentage means you pay back faster, and the fixed fee they charge is usually lower. A lower percentage gives you more cash flow day to day, but the fixed fee will be higher overall. That's a critical trade-off you have to decide on. In short, while the top limit is high, the best amount for you is what you qualify for based on your sales, and what you feel comfortable repaying from your daily transactions. Borrowing less and selecting a higher repayment percentage often means a lower fixed fee. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.